Yo guys, what's going on? It's your boy Josh. Welcome back to a new video where today I'm going to be covering the world of drop servicing. I'm going to be telling you guys what drop servicing is, how it's done, how much money there is to be made, and then we're also going to get onto the topic of is it better than drop shipping. But yeah guys, before we get into the video, be sure to drop a like. This helps me out so much. These daily uploads are very draining, but all these positive comments and the likes and just seeing the videos doing well, it just keeps me motivated. So yeah guys, a like goes a long way. But yeah guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. As the first topic that I'd like to cover is what drop servicing is. Now obviously hearing drop servicing, you would immediately go to drop shipping and think, it's something along the lines of that. And yes, you'd be exactly right. Well, drop shipping is the process of listing other people's products, and when they sell, you just buy their products and send them to your customers. Drop servicing varies because it's not a physical product. In a lot of cases, this will be graphic design, work with music, animation, video editing, literally anything online service related, and anything you'll find on Fiverr, which we'll get into later on in the video. Essentially how it works is you take someone's service, so for example, someone's selling a YouTube banner product, you would list that on your platform, and then you market that. As soon as you get a sale, you buy the original product, and then once that comes to you, you send it to your customer, and then you've kind of got that L-shaped connection of you, the person you buy from, and then the customer. And it's the exact same principle as drop shipping. Now the reason this is becoming such a big thing is drop shipping has a lot of saturated products. Now what I mean by this is products that basically just won't sell. There are so many competitors and there is such a small market for some of these products that they just don't sell anymore. For example, this ring light that I mentioned a few videos ago. Now when I started selling this is when these things were first coming around and when you first started seeing them. As you can see, it's a simple little setup. You just whack it on your phone and then you press a button and then a light comes on. Now as you can see, these products are quite tacky, quite cheap, and overall as a dropshipper it's just worth your money if these are like 20 pence each, you know. That product's an excellent example because if you go online nowadays, there are so many people trying to sell them, literally on eBay, Etsy, Shopify sites, Facebook, Instagram. You'll even find people trying to dropship these on Twitter. So trust me when I say it, there are a lot of saturated products in the dropshipping business, and that's why it's very important to find a winning product. And the main reason that dropshipping and drop servicing vary is drop servicing has such a small market. Now what I mean by this is most people do this on either Fiverr or Upwork. If you haven't heard of Upwork, it's literally just identical to Fiverr. I'm definitely going to be making a video on it in the future because it's an excellent platform if you want to help maximize your incomes. Yeah, if you know a service selling platform, you probably know Fiverr. It's a large platform. It's not huge, but it's fairly large. There are a decent amount of sellers and there's a decent amount of buyers. Now, yes, it obviously is an option to start your own site and sell through here, but then you got the problems of finding your target demographic, promotion, advertising, literally everything, and it just makes it a bit more complicated. Now, yes, obviously with Shopify dropshipping, this difficulty is worth it because a customer is more likely to purchase a physical product if it's on a proper site where they've got more information about it, and it's just more reassuring seeing that you've got it from a professional looking place. But with drop servicing, in most cases, it's really not worth it. If we just hop onto my computer here, as you can see, if we just search Fiverr, we came here a few videos ago, you guys know how it looks. If we just scroll down here, popular professional services. This is literally just an index of drop servicing niches. And from my advice, I would definitely tell you guys to separate the niches. And this doesn't mean start one store, see if it does well, if it does bad, hop onto another. I mean consecutively run maybe 3, 4, 5 stores at the same time, because ultimately a lot of the time when you're starting out there's not going to be a lot going on unless you're really putting a lot of promotion into this. So having multiple stores and multiple products set up is definitely worth it. And once again, this is just another way that you can help maximize income. But look, we've got WordPress, voiceover, video explainer, reach more customers, social media. These are like your promotional stuff. If you're a YouTuber, if you're an influencer on Instagram, you can offer shout outs, promotion, stuff like that, and people will buy them. That in fact is one of the best services to sell. As you can see here, we've got SEO, which is just Google search ranking. We've got illustration, we've got translation, data entry, book covers. Now yes, obviously there is a lot, and you kind of want to refine it to some of the most winning services. One excellent example for me is if I search here, buy podcast cover art. As you can see there, Upwork is actually the top result. So this gives you a bit of an idea of how popular Upwork is. But look, as you can see here, podcastcoverart.com, custom high quality podcast cover art design for only $250. As you can see, this takes a request as well. So this shows you that these people are actually getting real sales. If they were just starting out and if they were doing badly, they wouldn't have a request cover art button. They would just have a buy now button. As you can see here, here's some of the artwork. If you have a little look here, yes, you got lots of information, but point is, you literally just get a podcast artwork. Now, I'm not saying this person is a drop servicer, but if we go over to Fiverr here, and if we search podcast artwork, As you can see, £19, £11, £7.63, £3.81. Look at this one, £40. These are proper illustrations. These are some good deals, and you get the point here. If you would like to start a site, it is completely up to you, and as you can see, this can be an effective means of drop servicing. So like dropshipping, it's purely just a matter of doing research, finding winning services, and just promoting them. It does take a bit more promotion if you've got your own site, but once again, if you're on Fiverr and Upwork, these are literally just places where people can go. For example, if you're selling one of these cat carriers here, if you got them on eBay, people who want a cat carrier are going to search cat carrier, and in most cases, inevitably, someone will find your product and maybe buy it. They're looking for the product and they found the product. Whereas if it's on your site, you're literally just hoping to find someone that is maybe looking for one, or you're just trying to convince them that it's worth buying, but it's nothing really essential. That's what kind of makes dropshipping a bit more hard, and that's why I always advise to sell products that benefit people. But yeah, drop servicing, this is literally just free promotion. It's not spamming people's Facebook feeds. You're not sending people stuff saying, buy this. If someone wants to find something, they will search and they will find it. And all of this stuff isn't just here for no reason. All of these options are things that sell consistently. I, as someone who's been employed in the graphic and design industry, can tell you guys the amount of money I've been paid for some of my services is outrageous compared to some of the stuff you can just go and get off Fiverr. You could literally make this into a main job under a brand name, under a website, or even under an eBay store. And it's just as simple as paying someone else to do the work for you. Now this doesn't go against any guidelines, and it's completely fair on the original seller as they're still getting the amount of money that they asked for. You're just taking it an extra mile, thinking outside the box, and you're reselling their work and making profits. And as you can see here, we've got ratings, so this shows that 436 people have given a star. If you made an account on Fiverr, for example, if you got a couple of family members to buy your first couple of products, or even if you got money yourself, you can just put money into some of your products, buy them for a separate account, obviously collect the money back via your end, and then from here you can leave yourself reviews. This seems crazy, but it's such an effective means of getting reviews and getting ranked on Fiverr. This is also a very good method to use on Upwork. It also might be worth making one of these little covers if you were selling video editing, graphic design, banners. You could say, for example, premium influencer profile picture. And I know some of you guys will be sitting there thinking, I don't really know how to do that. I can do all this stuff where I resell, but I don't know how to really do that. Go on Fiverr, pay someone to do it. Literally, you could pay someone as little as maybe $1, $2, and this can last you a lifetime of just selling on. And this goes for every single service. Every single service that you list is going to have a different cover. One site that I personally recommend if you want to make these covers yourself is Canva. It's completely free and it's just like an online Photoshop. So yeah guys, in my opinion, it's an excellent little earner. And as I said, it's not one of the biggest markets at the moment. To put that into perspective, some of the biggest drop services are on about 10, 15,000 a month. So this is an insane like 6-figure range. This is like low end 5-figure. But hey, your average job, you could work about 40 hours in a month and make about $1,000. That is outrageous. That's so inhumane. Go start your own business at home. Make some money online. It is so easy and so effortless. All you need is a connection to the Wi-Fi. You don't even need a computer. You can do this off of your phone at any age. This is an excellent way to make money, and I would definitely recommend more people give it a go. So in my overall opinion, drop servicing and drop shipping, they come in very close, and I honestly don't prefer one over the other. Drop shipping has its down points, drop servicing isn't the most popular thing. These are both markets that are rising, which obviously has its own benefits and downfalls. But once again, it's up to you thinking outside the box. You're not going to make any money if you don't think outside of the box, and that's why I'm here to do that for you. So yeah boys, that was the video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if you got any questions, and as always boys, peace out, have a wonderful day.